Alright. Hey guys. We're here at Forestburg, New York. And today we're gonna be going on the ice, and yeah. It'll be a good experience. I've never gone ice fishing before. I can't wait to see what happens, if the ice is gonna crack or not. See if I'll catch any fish. I'll just jig and everything. I'll see you on the ice. Peace. It's about 9 o'clock at night. It's Friday night and we're on the lake. Here it is. It is about 10 degrees out here in Forestburg, New York. Can't wait for tomorrow. It's gonna be a good day. Shoot. Yo, it just cracked. No, but... Yeah, right there.
Yeah, just gotta get over it. Don't worry. Right here, anyway, the water's shallow.
See? So if I just get out here.
Yeah, it's
Is that a crack?
Yeah, it is. But that's probably due to, like, this ground is actually a boot, so when they expand, they contract.
Oh, alright. So I'm safe to get out, right?
Yeah, you're safe.
I've never done this before.
No worries.
Alright, cool. Thanks, Richard. Alright. I'm on the lake right now. I don't have my rod out, but it's about 9:30 out. Right here, we're in Forestburg, New York. Can't wait for a good day on the lake. So yeah, this is it. Alright, so it's about 9 inches of ice right here. And I just realized the sky. Look how pretty it is. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look. Look how pretty it is. Here in upstate New York, in Forestburg. Well, I wouldn't call it upstate. I'd call it New York State, but it's so beautiful. I really can't wait for a good day on the lake. So I'll see you guys then. Oh my god! I just took on my first bass right here. Little guy. Oh! Perfect timing. Woo! It is currently 8 o'clock. Just had breakfast. And back on the lake. Some ice fishing.
What do you put now?
Shout out to Adrian Vincent. Get him up to 10 subscribers. Adrian. So if you guys can't tell, this was at a Boy Scout camp out in Forestburg, New York. I had a bunch of 10-year-olds around me, surrounding me, watching me go fishing, asking if they wanted to test it out. I said no, of course, because, well, you know, I wasn't trying to be mean or anything, but I just didn't want them to mess up my rod. I wasn't completely sure if they knew how to fish or not. I just didn't really want them to mess the day up. So, yeah.
Any luck?
No. from a jig. That's Ken. That's it. Some trout magnet. Sitting down there with the crappie magnet. I'm using a 164-ounce jig head. And I'm just vertical jigging. And I've been at just for about 20 minutes. I'm not sure if I got a bite or not. It might have just been touching the bottom, but yeah. So what's happening is the tip of my rod. Oh yeah, guys, this is the mini pen rod, by the way, that I showed you guys in the one video. This is it. I'm fishing with it right now. But yeah, the tip getting frozen because of the wetness on the line. So I don't know. I'm gonna just do some jigging. Move this, I think, actually. No fish are biting here. Too close to the middle of the lake. Gotta move in closer.
Did you catch anything?
No, not yet. I'm too close to the middle of the lake.
Should we move it?
Yeah, I need to make a hole closer there.
I have a spear.
Alright, we could do that. I have a hatchet,
Wow.
so
My friend has hatchet for him. As a target for
is your brother Jacob?
Not my brother.
Is your brother Jacob?
My
Yeah.
brother's Jacob, but that's not who I was targeting.
I was on his baseball team in 6th grade, I believe.
Wait, do you go to house?
Yeah, I do.
So we're gonna move it.
Yeah, closer in, I think. Alright. Yeah, we're moving it. See, we're gonna move it closer for the bluegill that are nearby. And that's just way too far, I think. Maybe up here will be better. Let's say right here. Should be good. Yeah, right here. Should be good. What I'm doing here is getting a large rock. Open this because I've got no auger. This is very dangerous. So don't try this by yourself. That's the most I got out of that. Let's see if I can get anything else to help me. You know what, guys? Screw it. It's almost 4:30. It's here still on Saturday, and we're still ice fishing. I decided to come back and maybe to see what it would be like this time. People over there on the other side have been actually catching a couple fish, but we haven't had the chance to, so I'm still jigging vertically in the hopes that we'll actually get a bite or something. Sorry for not catching any fish in this video, by the way. I've been trying my best. It's my first time ice fishing. If you guys want to give me any pointers, tips, go ahead, leave them in the comment section, and I'll feel free to respond back. So wish me luck. You know what? I'm still fishing. I just realized I'm not going to catch any fish. I've been in here for about 30 minutes almost. And I just thought to myself, you know what? Screw it. See you guys next time on the fishing journey. Alright, so as you saw there, I was probably not having the best time ice fishing. It was about 10 degrees out there in New York. I'm in my room back in New Jersey. But yeah, it was my first time ice fishing. I didn't know if I was doing anything right. So I sort of was getting upset towards then. Don't take that into any offense. But, yeah, it just... First time ice fishing, I was getting frustrated. You know, once you're getting frustrated, you gotta stop. I continued to fish later that day into the evening, but, you know, I just didn't record it. I just didn't feel like I needed to because I was bored at the time. I just needed to do something, so, yeah, again, I'm sorry that I ended things on a sour note there, but, you know, you do what you do. You can when you can. But yeah, that's what I did, and I tried my best to go ice fishing. I mean, I've watched some videos that AP Bassin has done, Extreme Flea Fishing and Flair has done. I just see them jigging up and down in a jig. I wasn't sure if I was using the right jig or not. I don't know. Note to self, if you're ice fishing, get the right gear, you know. It's just not worth going out in the cold weather with the wrong gear and you're out there for hours just doing nothing, you know what I mean? But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for the video. Hope you guys had a good time watching the video. Again, roast me all you want in the comments because that was the first time I went ice fishing. So roast all you like. Feel free to roast fest going on. But yeah, thanks for tuning in with another video of The Fishing Dream. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day. Keep fishing.